guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a chandelier. What you are going to need is 2 of these wire baskets from Dollar Tree, and the tag just says hanging wire basket. So you'll want to pick up 2 baskets. You will need some zip ties. You will need some twine, and I have 2 sizes here. You can get the twine at Dollar Tree, but mine was sold out, so my husband stopped by the hardware store and got these for me. But I think I'm gonna use 2 sizes on mine, but you don't have to. Okay, you will need some battery-powered LED lights, and I got these at Walmart. And you'll need your scissors. And I think that's it, guys, for this chandelier. First, you're going to want to take off the little chains, and it has little clips. So you just kind of squeeze it, and it comes unclipped. So remove your chains. And now you're going to want to take your baskets and put them together. You're going to need your zip ties for this. Okay, so you're just going to zip tie them together to make this little round ball. So give me just a second and we'll get them zip tied together. Okay, we added 4 zip ties, and we just cut off the extra of the zip tie that was hanging over. So I've got 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. You can use 5 if you would like. Okay, so now I'm going to take my twine, and I am just going to find a spot and just tie it on, just make a knot and tie it on. And you can get this twine at Dollar Tree, but like I said, my store was sold out. Okay, so I think that's pretty secure. Okay, so next I am going to just take my twine, and I am just going to basically wrap it like a ball of yarn. So I've got to keep it tight and go around. And if it starts to want to come undone, I can always add either a little bit of hot glue or another zip tie. So I'm just going to wrap it all different directions. Sorry. Until I get my basket pretty much covered with the twine. And it's going to take a little while. Like I said, I'm not really doing any specific pattern or anything like that, and I'm going all directions. So I want to do the top, the bottom, the sides, the entire ball. And then, like I said, every so often I'll probably stop and cut it off and tie it on, then start again. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I just keep wrapping. There's no right way or wrong way, just try to keep it as tight as possible. And every once in a while tie it off and get you a new piece and start wrapping. We just wanted to show you how it's looking so far. We're still not finished, but almost. And it really hasn't taken that much twine. Let's see, where's the roll? Right there. So we still have a whole lot left. And I'm not gonna use the wider twine or rope. We're just gonna stick with the smaller twine. Okay, you can go ahead and get back started. Thank you. Okay, this is how our chandelier looks so far. And what we're going to do next is we are going to add these LED lights to it, and they take 3 AA batteries, and I got them at Walmart. And so what my daughter is going to do is she's going to just take the lights and wrap it around the ball, and then she's going to take some of the twine and wrap around it to secure the little LED lights on. Now she's adding the little LED lights. And they're tiny, tiny little lights, but they should look really pretty at night. And then she'll take some twine and go back over it so that they stay on tightly. This is how it looks with the lights on right now during the daytime. And you might want 2 packages of the LED lights for this. And then we're going to reattach our chain so we can hang it up. And we're going to wire the little battery box or whatever you call it to the top of the chandelier too. Our chandelier is finished and we just hung it up on our chandelier. And my daughter just took the battery box and tucked it in the twine in the center of the little chandelier, and I think that's a really great idea. But you could wire it to the top. But it makes a really cool chandelier that will be so cute to have outside when you're having barbecues, like on the holidays this summer. And it would be really neat if you put like red, white, and blue lights instead of the clear. But I think this will look really pretty at night, hanging from your trees. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. I thought of something else that would look really neat. I'm thinking we're going to take the twine and go ahead and wrap this chain, this black chain, with twine. Thought it would look really neat if it was wrapped in twine too. So what do you think, guys? Should we wrap the chain too? Let me know your thoughts.